Hi!
You almost better snatch my arm off.
You want a free cat?
No way. No. Oh my god! Oh my
¡Ay, miedosos! ¡Ay, ay! Es una broma, es de mentiras. Bye, miedosa. Hi. Man, I got you from way back there. Meow. I'm sorry I didn't get you guys.
I you bite me already. Stop it.
You're easy.
I know.
Hey, check yourself out. Georgia Pranksters as a channel.
No, sir. No, sir.
You scaredy cat.
I was hoping he got you again.
She still jumped.
Ain't no kidding.
There's a kid in here.
They got videos of all the plants.
Good eyes. There's no cats there. I think I got her.
Happy Halloween.
You're welcome. There's no cats here. There's a camera in front of you.
Stop though. Don't make
Oh, you're the one doing that? I was gonna say our oldest cat passed away, so that's why we were like kittens. I was gonna peek, she'd have killed me. But yeah, he was 19.
Oh, that's a long time, man. Sorry to hear that, guys.
No, it's cool.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, when I see
I know.
I'm gonna look. All of a sudden, he was there.
Scaredy cat.
I watch it on TV all the time. I never thought I'd get caught by it.
Now you're gonna be on it. I still got her.
It's a person.
That's all, guys.
Take a picture of you real quick.
Yeah.
So, not gonna lie,
What's up?
I saw you pull up. This was the other day. I worked with a couple restaurants in the area at the River House.
Yeah.
And I saw this in your back seat. And I got one of my hostess to go smoke a cigarette and take a picture of your license plate. I thought you were about to dump freak kittens out there. And I was like, I'm reporting this.
I am calling the
I
cops.
seriously was. And because I saw that and I was like, if he does that, I'm like, no kidding. I was ready. I was doing on. I was like, don't let him see you take the picture. And so I'm so glad that this is what you're doing instead.
Oh yeah, it's
pranking.
pranking.
Because I need to tell them.
Oh yeah,
Hilarious. So good.
My channel's Georgia Pranksters.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you.
Don't get hurt.
I know. Thank you. You're welcome.
I saw you before. I saw it.
Good eyes. Good eyes.
Meow. Meow.
Hi. Dude, I am soaked. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank gosh you didn't get hit. Thank you.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Here we are.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
You raise it.
Don't look at free kittens no more.
You should have been filming that day.
I did, right there.
I wish I could have did one, but not.
You're welcome.
Oh, no. There you go.
That's over.
God. I've seen these on Facebook where they grab that thing. Thank you so much.
Hey,
Getting
yeah,
my heart
thank you. I
going.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're gonna be on my channel, Georgia Pranksters.
I'm not gonna fall for it.
Man, I'm fucking dying. I've been out here for hours. I was waiting for you, man. Good eyes, good eyes.
Oh, would you like some kittens?
Hi. Hello. I scared you. You're in a prank. There's nothing in there. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, man. You sure got me good, man.
Have a good day.
I said, no, we're taking them, but how many kittens y'all got now? Yeah.
You guys all right?
Hey, that's good, man. That's good.
I thought you guys already saw me.
You know what? I mean, you this guy.
You're welcome.
If I've been in a bad
What's up, bro?
You all right, bro? I
Oh my God. I totally seen you. She did.
She's gonna turn into a meow. Meow. There's no cats in there, bro. That's my prank.
See? Oh, never mind.
Don't kick the cat. What's wrong with you?
Don't kick my putty cat.